Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Palantir and Unity Stock. Hey, for those of you who are new to my channel, I make video about high growth stocks and other investing strategies. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that red subscribe button and make sure you turn on that bell notification. That way you don't miss any of my future video uploads. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this video. By the way, this video is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Okay, first let's talk about Palantir stock. PLTR, that's the ticker. And if you take a look at their chart, they went public back September 2020, and I believe they went public around $10 a share at the end of closing day on the first day they're trading. The stock was around $9.50, and if you take a look, their 52 weeks high was $45 a share. Currently, the stock is trading at $29 a share. After hours, went up a little bit. So why am I talking about Palantir? Well, if you take a look, this stock from its all-time high, let's just pick this day from February 9th. That's when the stock really started to dip. From that point, it dipped until Thursday. It was like 34%. On Wednesday and Thursday, just those 2 days alone, ARK Invest, ARK Innovation to be exact, ARK acquired about 5.2 million shares, while ARK Generation Internet, ARK-W, purchased another 1.6 million shares. So a total of $172 million. They're really buying the dip. So Palantir is a great company long term. Why did it start dipping over the last week or so? Now, if you take a look, there's a lockup expiration period. So there's an article here on NASDAQ. When a firm goes public, the owner tend to sell roughly about 15 to 20% of the company, and as part of the initial public offering process, the remaining 80 to 85% is almost always subject to a lockup period, usually anywhere between 90 to 180 days. So it's about 3 to 6 months in which they have agreed not to sell any of their shares. But the thing is, after Q4 earnings, this lockup period had expired. The owner and the original investor of Palantir, they actually started to take profit. And Palantir just released their Q4 earnings over the past Tuesday. And Wednesday, it plummeted like 12%. But if you take a look at here in this article, it says that Palantir's lockup period is set to expire after the release of Q4 earnings. So if you invest in a large amount of money, now is the right time to book your profits by selling a small stake from your holding. So that's what I'm assuming. A lot of the original investor and people who originally invested in Palantir stock pre-IPO, they're just starting to take profit. So the stock, of course, started to plummet. But if you take a look at long term, I found an article here on Seeking Alpha. Palantir reported a strong Q4 and fiscal year of 2020 numbers, full of growth and new contracts. The company is gaining traction on the commercial business side as they expanded their relationship with BP, entered a new agreement with Rio Tinto, and entered into a partnership with IBM. Palantir's long-term growth is impressive as the outlook into fiscal 2025 has them at $4 billion or more in total revenue. By the way, the IBM partnership gives Palantir access to a sales force of 2,500 people, and the additional revenue may not quantifiable at this point in time. So earlier this week, Palantir has reported their Q4 earnings, and with that, they reported its fourth quarter loss narrowed to 8 cents a share from 29 cents, and at the same time, their revenue was $322 million, up 40% from the year earlier, ahead of the analyst consensus forecast of $300 million. So that's $22 million more than what the analysts were expecting. So what am I doing with Palantir stock, and what is my price target by the end of the year? Again, this is just my opinion, but by the end of the year, I believe Palantir could be a great stock, and it could at least 3x where it's at right now. So I believe it could hit $100 a share by 2022. Again, this is purely just my opinion because I've researched a comparison with other software stocks. Yeah, what I've been doing is I've been just swing trading with Palantir, picked up some options here and there, and selling it, made some decent profit. But now I'm planning to build a long-term position with this company because it has gone up so much. But because of the dip, I started buying when it started dipping. I believe Wednesday and Thursday, I picked up some more call options. I'm also going to start picking up some Palantir stock shares as well. By the way, if you're interested in investing and learn about investing and option and other investing strategies, I do have a Discord. Currently it is private. I'll leave my Discord server link in the video description. That way you can join. It's free. But starting in March, I'm going to launch my Patreon page. So yeah, take advantage of right now while I keep it open for the free channels. But yeah, if you're interested in supporting me, stay tuned. I am launching my Patreon page next month in March, so look out for that. Next up, let's talk about Unity Software, ticker symbol U. So Unity Software also performed pretty well since its IPO back in September 2020, around the same time as Palantir. You know, at one point it did grow to, I believe the 52 weeks high was $174 a share, $175 a share. From the IPO to its peak, it went up about 152%. But since its 52 weeks high, it has dropped dramatically as well. And that's why I started to buy the dip on Unity Software. So I got in around, I believe around this time, around February 17 or so, when I picked up Unity Software. And by the way, ARK also picked up some Unity shares. So if ARK is buying, we're buying. That's our saying in our Discord group. Yeah, it's a fun community over there, guys. If you're interested, yeah, just go ahead and join our Discord. It's free. Like I said, right now it's free up until March. I'm going to launch a Patreon page. So yeah, if any of you are interested in supporting my work, hopefully you can support me, but of course there's no obligation. I'll give you guys access to my portfolio and what I'm buying and selling every day. So yeah, I'll see you over there in my Discord. So back to Unity Software. You know, I found this article recently. It came out, I believe, on Friday or Saturday. Just take a look. Unity Software provides software that create and run and monetize interactive, real-time 2D and 3D content for mobile phones, tablet, PC, consoles, and augmented and virtual reality devices. A company can build a game on the Unity platform and easily deploy it across all other platforms that people can play on, from their mobile phones to gaming console, and most importantly for the future virtual reality platforms such as Facebook, Oculus. By the way, here's a fun fact. Did you know that Angry Bird and Pokemon Go is actually running on Unity Software? Well, now you know. But anyways, beyond gaming, Unity have other opportunity in the VR and virtual reality headset. So in this article, the reporter mentioned about the bigger opportunity lies beyond gaming. In 2020, Unity reported a 43% surge in revenue to $772 million as lockdowns supercharged video game demand. While there was explosive rate, I think the best has yet to come. For one, Unity revenue represented just a 6% of its estimate addressable market of $12 billion, giving it plenty of room to run up. But Unity has even a bigger opportunity beyond gaming. Its 3D augmented reality or AR and VR, virtual reality content creation tool, have far-reaching applications in the industries such as automotive, manufacturing, and architecture. Non-gaming markets represent a $17 billion opportunity today, a figure that could rise as more use cases emerge and as Unity demands its range in tools for creators across all these industries. Its total addressable market will only grow from here on. But of course, investing in Unity, just like any other company, there are some risk. So in this article, it mentioned that capturing all of this enormous upside does not come without costs. Unity's net losses more than double from $132 million in 2018 to $282 million in 2020, amid heavy ongoing investments in marketing and software development. For Unity to turn around its profitability, it needs to grow to the point that operating leverage kicks in. This takes some time. Luckily, Unity has stashed away almost $1.2 billion in cash and marketable securities. That's enough to last for a few years, assuming the cash burn rate remained the same. So in my personal opinion, Unity is going to perform greatly in the next 6 to 12 months and moving forward, because I see that mobile gaming has been growing and mobile gaming is here to stay. And of course, console is not going anywhere anytime soon. Matter of fact, Xbox just launched their Series X and Series S gaming console. Same thing with Sony. They launched their PS5, and a lot of these popular games, they're running on Unity software. So if you take a look at Unity's website, you can see that iOS, Android, Windows, Linux, WebGL, PS4, Oculus, Android TV, tvOS, Switch, Stadia, Magic Leap, all of these leading gaming and software developing company, they're using Unity. I see great future in Unity software. So what am I doing with Unity software? Again, I'm just swing trading this one, but I plan to also start a long-term position with Unity software. But at the moment, I'm just doing options and doing call debit spread. So right now I have $25 and $30 call debit spread. So I put in roughly about $8.75, and if I make profit from this call option, most likely I will, especially in the next 3 months. I think it will rebound, and from that I'll use that profit to buy some more shares to build like a foundation. So that's what I'm doing with Unity. So I'm just curious, what are you doing with Unity? Are you buying Unity? If you have it already, are you holding it, or are you buying more? And for those of you who do not have Unity yet, what do you think of this company? I would like to hear your opinions down in the comment section below. Alright guys, again, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, remember to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like if you find it helpful, and I also left some link below for some free stocks with Webull. If you open up Webull and sign up and deposit $100, you get 2 free shares if you sign up with my link below. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.